Today's topic is all about SNL Business Block Office Beneficiary Fund and its benefit. The firm have made a suitable unique fund for the every government block office. This fund is called SCGP Block Beneficiary Fund. The sources of earning of the fund is the work commission of the SCGP project. Through the SCGP project, the firm will give two types of commission. One is SCGP membership commission and other is SCGP members earning commission. Membership commission will come from the number of SCGP membership and SCGP members earning commission will come from the after every 14 months from the earning of the SCGP members from the firms. So we have to request all government block office to join the SCGP project. The SCGP membership commission will come from each registration of SCGP members numbers. Commission will be 50 rupees for each SCGP members registration. The commission automatically credited to the bank account of the SCGP block office beneficiary fund account after completing the registration SCGP membership ID numbers. Second earning will come from the earning of SCGP members from the firms. The SCGP members earning commission amount will be divided into three-step formula. 50% amount will be divided among the block office staff, 20% amount divided among the firm staff, 25% divided among the local representative and political party representative on behalf of block development officer. SCGP membership commission means the member who have completed their testimony by the SNL Business Live panel advocate and they have gotten the final SCGP membership ID numbers only. Thank you.